It's recording?
Okay, now it's going.
Okay. Alright, guys.
Let me give you an intro.
Alright.
This is my boy Andrew, and he's going to teach you some Calc 1.
Yep. I'm going to teach you how to do the derivative of natural logs. So, we'll see how to do it. Alright, so we got ln, and then 2x is inside of the function. And usually when you have a natural log, so let's say, oh, hold on guys, it's my first time on talk. Alright, so you got ln x, we'll take for example before we do this one. And it's just going to be the derivative of whatever's inside the parentheses over what's inside the parentheses. So for example, we got ln 2x. The derivative of 2x is just going to be 2. Oh man. And then we'll just put on the bottom of what's inside here.
Hey, by the way, can you stop breaking notation and put a ddx in front of that ln?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, guys, we got an engineer here.
Sorry.
Breaking notation.
Sorry about that, guys. Oh, crap. I never actually put notation.
Engineering 101 here, that's how you take derivatives.
So we're going to simplify this right here, and it's just going to be 1 over x, and that's going to be our derivative.
Okay, good.
Consider subscribing and liking if you found this video interesting or helpful. Leave a comment. Just leave any comment, just so I could, get this video pushed up in the algorithm.